Hi, in this video we will see how we can create table for parcel. We can easily create tables for any details like line, area or segment. We can easily create tables, and also we can export all these detail to Excel as a CSV or in any other format. We can easily export it. So for this purpose we have these objects. So first of all we will create parcel from object. Go to parcel from here and select create parcel from object. So once you select, you can just easily select all these option and click on your keyboard. So this pop-up menu will open. You can easily change the site name. For example, I'm going to provide here site 1 and press enter, apply. Okay, and from here you can change the parcel label as I explained in previous video. So select this and click on OK. Once you click on OK, now you can see that your parcel is created successfully. And also for this, same as it is, we will create parcel, but we will make it little bit change. And also you can see here we have some 1 2 3 4 curves, so it will be little bit different. So just select and create parcel from object. Select the object completely, press enter from your keyboard. Once you click enter, you can just go to here and give the name here parcel number, site number 2, apply and OK. Now it's have property, and you can just go from here and select the name, area and square. You can just easily select another option if you want to select it. So just select this name, area and perimeter, and from here we will select this automatic edit segment label. So in this one we will add this automatic label to the line. So click here. Once you click, you can see that all labels will be drawn successfully. Okay, once you click OK, here you can see that all your curves detail, radius, length and tangent is drawn for these curves. You can see it from here. This is curve number 1, number 2, number 3. All the details is added. Even for the line, for the line is provided the length, and also easting and northing, it can be provided very easily. And inside you can see that it's already provided you can just reduce the scale from here and you will see it's easily. So here you can see area in acres, you can see the perimeter, and you can see all the labels. So for this one we will draw now the tables. First of all we will draw table for this one, for the area option. So for this purpose you can just select it here and you can go to the table option. From here you can easily create tables. If you don't want to select, you can easily go to the annotate option. From the annotate option you can see here the add label option, and you can see all other options from here. For example, if you go to the parcel, and from the parcel you can add parcel label, single segment, multiple segment. You can easily add the labels from here if you want to add labels. So same as it is, you can go to the table, add table. So at the table you can see here parcel. For the parcel you can add line, add curve, add segment, add area. You can easily select also from the annotate option, but we will select this here and click on this add table. Once you click on add table, the same option is here. We will just add the area. So select on this area command. Once you select on this area command, you can just click and select this all option. Once you click this all option, from here you can just click or edit something. If you want to do some changing, you can just change the table property, colors, each and everything. You can change the title colors. If you want to change the color for the lines, you can just easily change it from here. So here I have some other options built. You can just check it here, the row per table, how much your row need, maximum table per stock, offset. You can see title of table, across, down, where you want to see static, dynamic. So this option also, if you can select, if you want to select any parcel from here, you can just click on this small box and you can select it manually. If you have this a lot of options, so click OK. Now it's asking you that select the region where you want to draw your table. For example, if you are going to draw a table here, now you can see that this is your table. In the table you can see different commands. Here you can see parcel number 1, area, perimeter, segment length and segment bearing. If you want to add something other, you can just easily add it from here. You can just click on this parcel, go to the parcel property, click on this table, right click, you can go to the table property from here also, or you can also select it, the table property from this tab. You can see table property also here. So table property, click on this. Once you click on this, you can also change this some general information. If you want to click on this, you can just go to the data properties. Here we have different option, we can see it here. Here for number first we have column parcel, here we have parcel number, here we have this area, and here we have these perimeters, here we have this segment, here we have this bearing. If you want to add another column here, you can just easily click on this. Once you scroll like this, you can see this automatic. Click on this small box and double click, and from here you can see that you can add anything from here. Format, you can just go to the property, and from here if you want to add any parcel ID, text, name, or any segment length, you can add the length. Click here and click on this arrow. Or also if you want to make it here some L, like L for length is equal to L is equal to, and click on OK. If you click on OK, here you can just click on this box to provide the title. Just click here and you can click and length length and click OK. Now you provided here the title and you provided here the parameters. If you want to delete any column or row from here, you can easily delete from this delete option. Apply and OK. Once you apply and OK, click OK. Now you can see that your length option is added. Length is this ABCD. So you can just see all the option is added to this option. And now we will go to this option, and here we will add some this label tables. So for example, if I am going to select this one and go to the table option from here, so I will just select here, click here, and you can just add segments. So select the add segment from here. It will call you that this option just general information. You can just go to, you cannot select this one by one, just go to select tags and click this all together and press enter. Now you can see that all object is selected. Once you click enter, it will ask you convert all selected label style to tag mode. So this all label will be changed to the tag mode. Now you can see that 86 tags are selected. Here 86 tag is also already selected. If you want to do any changing in the color or display, you can just easily change. If you want to add something, another extra column, you can just easily add from here. For example, I am going to add any extra column, you can just easily add from here. Once you click here, you can see here listing nothing, so you can also add it from here this easily. So I will explain it also. Let me delete this one, automatic. So just cancel it, go back and click on OK. Once you click on OK, it's asked you that select the area where you want to draw the table. So here you can see that it selected all length, bearing, delta, radius, everything is selected here. We have four curves. You can see that in the start I provided the radius for the curve 25 meter. You can see, you can check it from here, the 25 meter radius. We have four curves. You can see here curve number 1, 2, 3, 4. So we have four corners, 1, 2, 3, 4. So we have 25 meter radius. And if you want to add something to this table, you can just click here, same as it is, go to the table edit property, table property, click on this small pencil from here. Once you click here, you can just go to the property. So from the property you can add a column here, and for example I'm going to add listing nothing. Just click here, double click, and from here you can just select here and or start nothing listing, segment start listing. You can press enter. So here you can just edit E for listing, and here I will just select it, press enter, go down, and here just start northing, segment start northing, and press enter. You can just enter here N and is equal to. So you can just also add another table here, start nothing, any kind of. So also you can again add another column here, and you can enter segment and nothing and segment and listing. You can enter a coordinate for listing, for starting, and also both. So here we will provide it the name here. For example, I am going to provide here, double click, coordinate, COOR, coordinates. Okay, so apply, okay, apply, click OK, okay. Now you can see that it's provided to you the coordinate, but this is for the start, same as it is. You can just provide it for the end here, another column. So this is a very simple option. You can use it and you can apply it